Hey guys, welcome back to Live Your Dream, a podcast with a virtual assistant diary. This episode is exciting because we'll talk about how one career can change the life of so many people. Well, of so many Filipinos. And it's being a virtual assistant. Kung bago ka sa VA world or narinig mo lang pero hindi mo sure kung ano talaga to, this episode is for you. In this episode, you'll know ano ang VA, anong ginagawa nila, paano ito nagiging isang full-time career, paano ito nakakatulong sa libo-libong tao, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo. And if you're thinking, worth it kaya na maging VA, I promise you by the end of the episode, you'll know if this is the right path for you. Let's start with the basics. Ano ba ang virtual assistant? In simple terms, a virtual assistant is someone who provides remote services to businesses, entrepreneurs, or professionals. Kung dati kailangan mo magtrabaho sa office para mag-admin task, mag-manage ng schedule, o gumawa ng reports, ngayon, pwede mo na tong gawin online from anywhere. Actually, hindi naman to bago. Matagal nang may mga remote workers. But because of technology, mas naging accessible at in-demand ang virtual assistants. Kasi maraming businesses ngayon ang hindi na nag-hire ng in-house employees and they outsource tasks to virtual assistants instead. Why? Because it's cost-effective, it's flexible, and mas marami silang pwedeng ma-hire globally. So think about global talents. And us Filipinos, we are in demand. Hindi natin matatanggi na. The pandemic in 2020 has opened the eyes of so many people about remote work. Dati pag sinabi mong work from home, yung mga tao nagtatanong if it's a scam or kung ano ba yung virtual assistant na yan? Ano ba yung freelancing na yan? Legit ba yan? May kita ba talaga dyan? And you know, those questions, fast forward to 2025 and the VA industry is now booming. Why? Because more businesses are hiring remotely, mas convenient. People want work-life balance. So most of us, ayaw na natin talaga ng traffic. And yung toxic office culture, talagang gusto na natin siyang iwasan. And ang daming skills ang na-offer ng virtual assistants, from admin to marketing to tech. Because of this, parami na ng parami ay nagsishift sa VA industry. Kaya if you're interested, I think now is the perfect time for you to start. Now, ano ba ang mga task na ginagawa ng isang virtual assistant? Actually, sobrang wide. So, there's admin work like email, calendar management, data entry, research. Then, there's customer support for handling inquiries or, you know, the chat and email support and all those kind of things. And then, project management for organizing tasks, managing deadlines. Sa mga for those people naman who are bookkeepers and accountants, merong bookkeeping services for basic accounting, for invoicing. For marketing, there's social media management, there's content creation, there is digital marketing services. Also, there's tech and web support. So for the tech side of things like website maintenance, graphic design, and other tech and web support out there. So it actually depends on your skills. But there's always a niche for you. Hindi mo naman kailangang marunong sa lahat because you can actually choose what your specialty will be. And why? Maraming nagsishift sa VA career dahil sobrang daming advantages. So, as I've mentioned earlier, there's the flexibility to work from anywhere. Hindi ka na kailangang ma-stuck sa office or sa traffic. And, you know, more time with family. Yung sanang time na you spend sa kalye or sa daan because na-stuck ka sa traffic, you can actually spend that time for yourself or to bond with your family. And of course, there's better income potential because it depends on your skills. Kaya mong mag-charge ng premium rates. Then there's flexibility. Ikaw ang pipili kung anong oras or where do you want to work. There are so many people from Manila who actually went back to their hometowns in the provinces because there's no more commuting. And ang dami talagang umangat yung buhay dahil sa VA work. And let me share some real stories. Yung dati kong kakilala si AJ, dati siyang call center agent. Ngayon, she earns double her previous salary working from home. Si Johnny, isang former office assistant, naging VA. Ngayon, may sarili na siyang VA agency. And si Bea, she's a single mom. Dati, So dati sobrang hirap ng finances, ngayon mas stable na yung income niya while taking care of our kids. So, this career is really life-changing. And if you're ready na subukan ng pagiging VA, here's what you can do. You can download the free VA Starter Kit by the Virtual Assistant Diary. It's a step-by-step guide para makapagsimula ka ng tama. You can join the VA Diary community on Facebook so that you have a support system habang nag-aaral ka pa lang. And you can also start learning skills. You can watch tutorials, enroll in online courses, or apply for an internship para may mailagay ka na sa portfolio mo. And if this episode gave you clarity, make sure to subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear this. At gusto ko din marinig yung thoughts mo. Excited ka ba na magsimula bilang VA? Ano ba yung biggest question mo? Join the Facebook group. I'd love to hear from you. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next episode of Live Your Dream, a podcast by the Virtual Assistant Diary.